Hey everyone, in this video we are fixing the problem where the Steam won't log in even to your email and password even if they are correct. So therefore let's just jump right into fix the issue. So we can start by restarting the Steam and our PC. So if you have opened up Steam, you can close it up completely. For that, you can hit Windows plus X and go to the option for your task manager and hit enter. Once you do so, you can go ahead and find Steam here. This one right here. And once you find it up, right click on it and select the option for ending task. And when you do, Steam will be closed up completely from your taskbar itself. And you can restart your PC and also reopen the Steam once you complete it up. And that's it. Otherwise, you can clear Steam login credentials, hit the Windows plus R and open it up. And once you open it up, here just go ahead and type in percentage program and type in files, and here into 86 just go ahead and type in into 86 and %/Steam. So just go ahead and type in % once you complete up and type in /Steam. After that, hit enter and find the program file for your device, or if not here, you can just go over and go to local disk and find your program files. 86, this one right here. And from here, just go ahead and delete the login users PDF under Steam. So find Steam, open it up, and from here, just go ahead and find that. And once you find it up, you can just go ahead and delete it. And you can reopen the Steam and enter the email and your password again. Apart from that, you can reset Steam network config, hit Windows plus R for that once again. And here type in Steam, the particular code, and plus DNS config. After that, hit enter. And once you do so, it should reset the Steam network configuration for you. And you can also change password if necessary. And that's it. Most of the login issues are caused by solver problems, corrupted login files, or network blocks. So you can try out the solutions. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.